Congratulations for taking advantage of the FMG opportunity. Now I'm going to show you how to position yourself to succeed in this organization. We have not employed you as a staff. Your engagement in this organization is an entrepreneurial opportunity. You are an entrepreneur. And what you have invited to do is to come and use the platforms that we have here to create wealth for yourself. When you come to the organization, it is people that makes it possible. Our acronym is helping people. And as you help people, you make money in the process. So when you come to the organization, position yourself to start looking and strategically positioning who you will help to enable you to have a market that you use to make money. Get your phone. Go through your phone and list 25 people in the phone. Strategic 25 people around you, your family members, your neighbor, your ex-colleagues, and people that you know closely. When you get these 25 names, inform them about the good news, about what FMG offers. Immediately inform them, and they get to know the advantages of joining the platform. 5 of them will join the platform immediately. You have established income for yourself already. You will earn 50,000 naira that month for transport and telephone allowance. You don't need to bother yourself about getting money on what you used to go home on transport and all that. And you can also have base to have to do advert in the social media. Once you get that, begin to do a listing. Go to the social media and put all the videos and flyers that you get from the ICT department. Begin to advertise to people that you can help people that are jobless. You are employing people. You can help people who are working, who are poorly paid. You can help people who are close to retiring. You can help people who have businesses and challenges doing the business. Once you throw that advert out, over 10,000 people will see it. From those 10,000 people, 200 will be attracted to the funnel that we have created, the funnel of success, where you take people through when they come into FMG in your business. When 200 people enter that business, when they hear the story and the profit and the credit and the things and the benefits of joining the platform, 20 of them will sign on to join the platform immediately. 60% of them will be indifferent. And 20% of them will tell you, this is not for me. It looks like multi-level marketing. Get the 20% that join the platform, which translates to 40 people. Let them know what they stand to benefit using the hubs. The ICT hubs, the insurance hub, the real estate hub. But emphasize to them the power of mentorship and business consultation. They will start making money for you because you have actually engaged them as your mentees. The 20% that say they are not interested, just leave them because they will waste your time. The remaining 60% go back to them and ask them, why have you not joined? They will tell you, oh, I don't understand the business. It looks like multi-level marketing. I don't think I'm cut out for multi-level marketing. Ask them questions. Is multi-level marketing showing you how you can start your own business? Is multi-level marketing showing you how you can increase your volume of business and profitability? Is multi-level marketing opening you up to how you can use these hubs at a discount? Is multi-level marketing showing you how you can become a landlord with your mouth? By the time they see the opportunities and the benefits of joining the platform, another 20% will leave the funnel and join the platform under you. The remaining 40% go back to them and send them a bulk SMS text, asking them if it is a 20,000 naira joining fee, is the reason why you have not joined the platform. Call me. 10% of them will call. Some of them will tell you, it's not month end yet. When it is month end, I will pay. Not their names. Those that say they will pay at month end. The other ones that say, I don't have the 20,000 naira. Ask them, do you have 10,000 to pay? I can get approval for you to get and pay instrumentally this 20,000. So you can pay 10,000 now. Because I know you will make money with FMG. When you start making money, we'll deduct the balance money for you. When these people see this opportunity, they will join the platform. 10% of them will join the platform. If they don't have the 10,000, allow them to pay 5,000 naira. Because they will make money in the platform. Once they start making money, you can deduct the balance 15,000 naira from the money they make. They will have joined the platform. Another 10% has moved out of your funnel. The remaining 30% of the members who cannot join the platform because they don't have money, go back to them and make them your agents. Mentoring them for free. But ask them, which church do you belong to? Which cooperative do you belong to? which organization do you belong to, that we can come to do this presentation there. Once we go to that place to do the presentation, I will pay for you to join the platform. When you use this 30% of the population, you'll be able to attract people that will make you have invitation to go to their church to do presentation. When you go to 2 or 3 of them, you will attract another 200 people to the funnel to start the circle all over again. If you look at this circle that I've just shown you now, going through the 200 people that enter the circle, 50% of them will join the platform. And 50% of 200 is 100 prospects. And once 100 people join the platform under you, you will make 1 million naira a month as a base. Now, I must remind you, conquer the first 50,000 naira, and you need only 5 people to join the platform, and you'll have conquered what people earn in other organizations as your base in FMG. Because 5 people joining the platform under you will give you 50,000 naira transport and telephone allowance in a month. In addition to the money you make for people who join the platform, money you make from the different hubs, you will see that you have conquered employment that is fixed salaried. Because you can actually ask 5 people, somebody from your family, somebody from your neighborhood, somebody from your head school, somebody that is in the same church with you. You need only 5 in 30 days. If you divide that 30 days by 5, you will see that you don't need too many people to establish your income in FMG. But the biggest thing is that you can position yourself to make 1 million in your first month of joining the platform. If you use the 80-20 rule of getting only 5 agents. Once you have 5 agents, agents are people that have crowd behind them. Pastors, bank managers, corporate society chairmen, aides of politicians, civil servants that are very, very senior. If you have these 5 people, they are called for their members to come to you who are jobless, who are struggling in their businesses, who want to do tax clearance, who want to do ICT related businesses like websites. Will give you enough clients to make the 1 million naira a month. So FMG membership, associates, I remind you, when you come to this organization, don't come like an employee. Come like an entrepreneur who has established 7 companies. And all you are required to do is help people to come and use it to solve their money-making opportunities. And as you are helping people, they will be making money for you. You need only 5 people to succeed. You are welcome and congratulations.
Thank you.